Okay, Mira, what are we doing?
We're waiting for our, what's it called?
The train.
Yeah,
The train?
Yes.
We're waiting for the
That
train.
train.
We're going to go for a ride on the train. Cool.
Yeah.
The choo-choo.
Just waiting here, guys.
Yes, we are indeed here at Ayala Mall. Today we're just opposite the H&M, down the road from the guitar selling place where they have a player playing right now. But yes, the train comes around every 6 minutes or so, and we're going to jump on it when it comes back the next time and take a little ride around Ayala Mall.
Yeah.
Never done this before, so very excited.
First time.
First time on the train in Ayala Mall.
Let's see, guys. Woo-hoo.
All aboard Ayala train. Getting on board, we're told the green car is the best car to get in. That's the final car. Okay, here we are. We are sitting in the rear part. What do they call that? The one at the back? There's a special name, I've forgotten. I'll try and post it here. Two train tickets. 45 pesos per person. That's just under $1 per person for the ride. Are you all set, Mira?
Yeah.
Or you're too busy taking a selfie?
No, not selfie.
Not selfie. What are you doing? TikTok?
No, just preparing for video.
Preparing for a video. For TikTok or video?
No, only video.
Just a video. Okay.
Yeah.
And we are away. Excitement. I think we are amusing people here. Perhaps amusing people with our amusement. People are taking second looks. Why are people looking at us so strangely? Oh, yeah. Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we doing a tour of the mall? Or is this just a comedy tour for all the other customers in the mall? We're going by the Metro supermarket there.
Yeah.
Yes, that is where we go for our supermarket stuff. Doing a quick change of position here.
Yeah.
Mira's stayed in her position, but I've just faced the other direction. Oh, we are. We're traveling through Ayala Mall at breakneck speed. Oh, here's the lady who sold us the cosmetics, is it? Yes. Oh, maybe not. Looks like our soap lady. Oh, yeah. And we are making a turn. This is at Kronos. What was this area here? Is this where the Chinese New Year celebration area, I think. It's now become something else for Valentine's Day, probably. And it looks like we're doing another turn here. Tight turn.
Turn.
We have a good driver. Oh, we're doing a full circle here.
Yahoo! We're going back.
How is it, Mira?
So cool.
How's your train ride?
It's really good and I'm enjoying it. Cool.
Cold.
Cool. So cool.
So here we go by Ruston's, the department store. And I think we are heading back to the start, are we?
Yeah.
Look what we have here, straight above us. We have our favorite New York bagels.
Yeah, yeah.
New York bagels by Kate's Bakery. It's one of our favorites, right? I've
Yes.
converted Mira to New York bagels.
Yeah, yeah. True.
Is this another Valentine's Day creation? Lots of brand name stores here, of course. Here we go by the Levi's store, which marks the end of the ride, I believe, as it did mark the beginning. We're going to do a quick U-turn here, I would say. Or should I say a slow U-turn, perhaps? How do we navigate this? Let's see how we navigate the U-turn. We have a guy up ahead of us there in the red shirt, and he's actually leading the way for this tight U-turn. Excellently executed. And that is pretty much the end of the ride. Yep. It's the end of the ride.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Our ticket.
I don't think we need these tickets anymore, but all right. All right, we good?
Yes.
Do you want to
yes.
go again?
Yeah. Next time.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, driver. There we are. All right, that's it. That's our ride.
Yeah.
Now we can go celebrate with the Bose coffee.
Yes.
Here's the reward for going on the train. A visit to Bose Coffee. It's dark outside now. I just came out of here outside Bose. There are no tables because everyone's sitting at them because there's some kind of concert on there. Okay, we always sit outside at Bose, but today we're going to sit inside because there's some kind of concert out on the terraces, and so all the what are technically Bose seats are taken mostly by people who just sat down on them. Not even Bose customers. Little pet peeve of mine, but here we are. We'll sit inside for a change. It's not so bad. Quite pleasant, really. How is the train ride, Mira?
So far, it's really good and more excitement.
You enjoyed it? It
Yes.
was exciting?
Yes. For
Being
the
on the
first
choo-choo?
for the first time.
First time. It was my first time, too.
Yes,
To
yes.
ride around
So
Ayala Mall
yeah,
on
so
the train.
so we are both
Very good.
and many
So we are agreed it was a fun and exciting first time train ride around Ayala Mall.
yeah and many people say to us they're looking fun.
Yes, we created lots of entertainment for others. Like
Yeah.
And cheesecake,
How was it?
even better. You want to try? Cheesecake, even better.
Okay.
Marks out of 10.
8.
8 out of 10.
Yes.
Not bad.
Yes, not bad.
Top marker. So that's pretty good. 8 out of 10. Okay. See you guys over and edge. I can't actually hear what you're saying, but I guess the microphone did.
Okay, again.
Cold
Yeah.
or cool?
Cool.
Like cold temperature or cool fun?
Cool. Not temperature.